if you have content, to let us hear the content. We actually sat here, and there are so many senators here who want to hear content. We don't want drama. We just want to hear content. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Senator Cherargei, what is your point of order? It has been stopped.
Mr. Speaker, on your direction standing on the number 1, and of course number 98 is point of order is a right. Mr. Speaker, what I want to know, and everybody knows, under this standing order, there is nowhere that says young or old senator. It says the senator. So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, can I, Mr. Speaker, the context, Mr. Speaker, the context of saying the young senator, that context is wrong. It's like they're saying the woman senator or the old senator, Mr. Speaker. The standing order refers only to a senator. It does not say the young, old, or a woman, or a PWD senator. Mr. Speaker, let us follow the standing order.
Thank you,
and
Senator.
Some of us will not be intimidated by shouts. I can tell you for free.
Honorable senators, if I may rule on this, the reference that Senator Mungatana made was directly picked up from your own comment, Senator Orwoba. No, Orwoba, when you were making your submissions, you did declare that you're a novice senator, young senator. Don't engage the chair, Orwoba, just listen. This, what happened was, I mean, the phrase young or youthful is a terminology of fact. You cannot walk away from it. Now,